Welcome back to my channel Economatrix Dey, and I am your mentor Shurjit. Today we are going to study mathematics of class 10 as per the rationalized content. So without further delay, let's get started.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Now today we are going to discuss chapter 1, real numbers of class 10. Okay, so try to understand the chapter, and today's part is part 1. This is the introduction part. Now see, in class 9, what you have studied? You have studied the world of real numbers. You have studied about the real numbers. And then what you have studied? You have studied irrational numbers. So these two things you have studied where? In class 9. But in class 10, we will focus on real numbers. We will focus more on real numbers. Then what we are going to study? We are going to study two important properties. Two important properties of positive integers. Okay, integers. Positive integers means what? See, if this is the number line, then this is 0, this side is 1, 2, 3, like this way, and this side -1, -2, -3. So this part is called the positive integers. We will discuss two important properties of positive integers. And what are those two important properties? One is Euclid division algorithm, and the second one is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So in class 10, we will focus on Euclid's division algorithm and fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay. Now, before discussing about the Euclid's division algorithm and the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, let us solve exercise 1.1. Now you will be thinking, why sir is doing 1.1? Because when we solve 1.1, then we will be like revising what we have studied in class 8, 9, 7, 6. Okay, because here what it is telling, question number 1, exercise 1.1, express each number as a product of its prime factors. So here we will be doing a match practice. We will know about prime factors also, or prime numbers we will come to know. Now if I want to solve this one, answer Roman 1, 140, then 140 I have to represent as the product of its prime factors. So to find out the prime factors of 140, I will find out here, I will write 140, and by prime factorization method I will find out the factors. Okay, now the factors are, first it will go with 2, 2 will go with 1, no, then it comes 14, 2 7s are 14, then 0, then again I can go with 2 also, so 2, so it is 7, 2 3s are 6, 1 comes here, so now it is 10, 2 5s are 10, now it will go with what? 5, so 5 7s are 35, now then 7 1s are clear. So what you get here? 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So this one we can write 2 to the power 2 into 5 into 7, and this is the answer. Clear? This is how we can find out 140 as a product. Okay, 140 as a product of its prime factors. Now you will be thinking that prime factors, these prime numbers, how you are taking 2, then 5. So you have to know about the prime numbers. Okay. Now, which are the prime numbers? Okay, the first one is 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, then 13, then 17, then 19, then 23, then 29, then 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. At least up to 50 you must know. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So up to 50. From 1 to 50, which are the prime numbers? Now these are prime numbers. Okay. With these numbers only you have to do these calculations. You cannot take other numbers. Okay. And out of these numbers, 2 is the only even prime number. Others are all, you can see, odd prime numbers. Clear? The next sum, that is Roman 2. Answer Roman 2. So what it is? 156. So we will break it. Okay. So 156. It will go with 2. 2 how much are? 2 7s are 14. But it is 15. 1 is extra. It is coming 16 now. 2 8s are 16. Again it will go with 2. 2 3s are 6. 1 is extra, 18. It becomes here 18. 2 9s are 18. Okay. Then it will go with which one? No more 2. It will go with 3. 3 1s are 3. 3s are 9. Then 13 1s are. Clear? Now we will write the factors. 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. So what it comes? 2 to the, see 2 times 2. So 2 square into 3 into 13, and this is the answer. I think you have understood this sum. Now we will move on to the next sum. Now Roman 3. Roman 3. Answer Roman 3. So what it is telling? 3a to 5. So we have to break it into the product of its prime factors. So 3a to 5. So you can see here it is ending with 5. If it is ending with 5, it is better to start writing here 5. Okay. Will not go with 3. Then 38, 5, 7s are 35, 36, 37, 38. 3 is extra. 3 comes here. So now 32, 5, 6 are 30. Then here 2 comes. So 25, 5 5s are 25. Clear? Now again it will go with 5 because the last digit is 5. So 5 1s are 5. Then here 2 comes extra. 26, 5 5s are 25. Then 1 comes extra. So 5 3s are 15. Clear? Now after 5 I can go with this one 153. It will go with 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are. Then again 3 1s are 3. 2 left 21. 3 7s are 21. Then 17 1. Clear? Now these numbers I will write here but in ascending order. So 3 into 3, then 5 into 5, and then 17. So this one comes 3 square or 3 to the power 2, 5 square or 5 to the power 2, and then 17. And this is the answer. Clear? Now those who are new in my channel, I would like to request them that if you like this channel, if you like my videos, then please give a like, share it among your friends and group circle, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because when you subscribe it really motivates me to make more such videos in future. Okay, so let us come back again. We were solving Roman 1, Roman 2, Roman 3. We have done. Now we will be solving Roman 4. Now students, you watch this video till the end so that you can understand the concept nicely. Okay. So Roman 4 is what? 5005. So let us do this one here. 5005. Let us find out the factors by prime factorization method. It is ending, the last digit is 5, so it will go with 5. 5 ones are 5, 0, 0, 5 ones are 5. Then again, now it will go with what? So see, 1, 0, 0, 1. It will not go with 5. So next I will try with 7. 7, will it go with 1? No. Now 10, 7 ones are 7. So how much left? 3 left extra. So now it becomes 30. So 7 fours are 28. So now 2 is extra. So now 21, 7 threes are 21. Now it will go with what? The next prime number 11. See, 11 ones are 11. So how much extra? 3 extra. So 33. 11 threes are 33. And then 13 is a prime number. So we are getting it. So what we will get here? 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. And this is the answer. Clear? Very, very easy. Now we will move on to the next sum. Now the last sum, that is answer Roman 5. Because 4 we have finished. Now Roman 5. 7, 4, 2, 9. So this will go with what? Let us do. So 7, 4, 2, 9. So will it go with 2? No, because this is what? 9 is a odd number. Okay. So will it go with 3? Let us try. 3 2s are 6, 1 carry. So 14, 3 4s are 12, 13, 14, 2, 22, 3 7s are 21, then 19, it will not go. Then with which number it will go? So when this number comes, you have to remember, okay, like this way you have to try. Okay, first with 2, then 3, then 5, then 7. If it doesn't go, then you have to try with 11, then 13, like this way. So this will go with 17. Okay, this will go with 17. How it will go with 17? Let us do here. Clear? So 7, let me write 7, 4, 2, 9. So 17. Okay, 17 4s are 68. See, 4 7s are 28. 2 4 1s are 4, 5, 6. So 68. So how much is left? 6 is left. Then 2 comes. Clear? 62. Now 17 3s are 51. Then how much comes? 1. Here also 1. Then 9. And now 17 7s are. See, 7 7s are 49. 4 carry. 7 1s are 7 plus 4, 11. So it is going with 17. 4, 3, 7. Now 4, 3, 7 will go with what? It will go with 19. So this one will go with 19. Okay. So 19, how much are? So if I do the rough here, 4, 3, 7 and 19. 19 2s are 38. Then how much comes here? 5, 57. 19 3s are 57. So it will go with 23. And after that 23 ones. Clear? So what you get here? 17 into 19 into 23. I think you have understood how to find out. So Roman 5 is over. Now you have understood how to find out these numbers or any number as a product of its prime factors. So practice this one. Roman 1, Roman 2, Roman 3, Roman 4, Roman 5. So I think you have understood the sums nicely. Now keep on practicing. And I will be bringing another nice content of this same chapter, chapter 1, real numbers, in our next part. So thank you for watching my video. Keep smiling, keep practicing and keep sharing these videos with your classmates. Till then, bye bye.